Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Color for building consistent branding palettes, full guide step by step clearly. Visit the Adobe Color website using your preferred web browser. Locate the Sign In button on the top right corner of the page. Click on Sign In to access your Adobe account. If you don't have an account, select Get Started or Sign Up to create one. Fill in the necessary information, such as your email and password, if creating an account. After signing in, explore the home page to familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the Explore or Create tabs to begin building your color palettes. Click on the Create tab to access the Color Wheel tool. Use the Color Wheel to experiment with different color combinations. Choose a color harmony rule that fits your branding needs, such as analogous or complementary. As you select colors, observe how they interact visually. Once satisfied with your palette, save your choices by clicking the Save button. Give your palette a memorable name that reflects your branding theme. You can also add tags for better organization and easy retrieval later. To access your saved palettes, navigate to your Profile or My Themes section. Here, you'll find all your created and saved color palettes. Download your selected palette by clicking the download icon or exporting it as a PDF. Consider sharing your palettes with collaborators or your team. To do this, click on the Share button and copy the generated link. Utilize this link to share your palette via email or social media. Regularly revisit Adobe Color to refine and update your branding palettes. Take advantage of community themes for inspiration by exploring public palettes. Incorporate the color codes from your Adobe Color palettes into your branding materials. This will help ensure consistency across all your visual projects. Always keep your branding guidelines updated as your palette evolves. Utilizing Adobe Color will aid in developing a strong, cohesive visual identity. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.